Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? You all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel Smart Collections Plus. This video we present winter special full sleeves frock design ideas for baby girls that offer warmth without compromising on style. You will see a range of charming frocks made for cozy fabrics like wool and thick cottons, perfect for chilly days. From elegant lace accents and ruffled details to cute prints like floral, polka dots, and animal patterns, those frocks are designed to keep your little one both comfortable and adorable. We will also highlight different styles including align and layered designs with beautiful winter themes. Colors like deep red, full sleeves frocks are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual day or a festival winter gathering. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.